Hey everybody, it's Freebie again. Got another little project. I'm going to add a step bumper to my 2021 Ram 2500, and I've got everything laid out right now. I've watched a couple of videos. Thought I'd make one. Might help, might not, don't know. What comes in the box is instructions, 4 bolts, 2 pieces of hardware, and here it is. Got some directions. We've got 2 pieces, one here, the step. You'll need a 5/8 and a 1-inch socket. Comes with these 4 bolts, and we're going to see how long it takes, how easy it is. From what I've seen, doesn't look like much, so let's get with it. Freebie here, doing an install of my bumper step on my 2021 Ram 2500. Very simple process. Everything's pretty plain and simple. You'll need a 10mm open end wrench, 5/8 and a 1-inch socket for the bolts supplied, and the original equipment, the bolts that you'll need to remove are actually a 15mm. But it's a very simple process, and hopefully it'll work great. So stay tuned, I'll bring it to you. Now this thing should fit up in here, and it'll have a little lip that you can put with your use with your foot and install it. So we've got to get up under here and remove 3 bolts. Okay, bolts they're talking about are these 2 and this one. One quick note: the 2 bolts they have supplied are 5/8. The 2 bolts that were in here are actually 15mm. The big bolt that came out, it is a 1-inch. Okay, got those bolts out, and we've got the step in place. And now we have to put the other piece in, which is a brace that holds it too. Let me get that. Silly me. I pulled this bolt out. It's supposed to be this one, if you can see it. What a screw up. Hey, no big deal. Okay, we got her done. Now this little screw that comes in with it to hold the brace to the step is a 10mm, and I went back with my original bolt, you can see, because the China supplied bolt just did not want to fit in there right. So I stayed with factory, and we're going to see how this works now. Always check your specs that come with it. The torque foot-pounds are on the instruction sheet for you. Torque them back down, and let's check this out now. Just on a side note, once I got it installed, as I pulled down, this part was catching on the plastic part of the bottom of your bumper trim, and I tried adjusting, loosening, and nothing happened. So guess what? Just trim that off with a razor knife. Nothing to it. Now it fits perfect. Works great. All right, you hardly even know it's there. That's just a little tip coming out right here. You catch it with your foot. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Pretty stout. Pretty stout. I like it. Then to retract it, you just kind of push forward a little bit, and it's done. One more time. Sweet. Just to give you an idea, you do have space to get up. Yep, I think that's well worth the money. This 2500 is high, sits high. You can tell how high it sits from the clearance on the wheels. So this is going to help me a great deal. Hey, thank y'all for watching. One thing I did like is the matching treads. They match the bumper treads, so it's a good look. All right, it's finished. I think it's gonna look great, work great. It's gonna help me a great deal. I didn't even break a sweat. Total of 10-15 minutes, something like that. You can do it. It's no problem. Freebie bringing you another one. Thanks for watching.